Hello friends, welcome to be a part of Creative Wanderers. And wow, we are back with our Ripple.8 and we use the latest version Python 3.8.2. And this is an amazing platform for coding and we are gonna have a ton of fun with our Python programming. So let's start off with our Python basics. Today we'll discuss about Python data types. Well, what does data type mean in the world of programming, right? Let's think about mathematics. We all know that whatever we use for calculations or operations in maths belong to a certain category. For example, if I type 4, we all know that it is an integer number, right? And if it becomes 4.5, we know that it's a floating point number, or the decimal number. But both of them belongs to a certain category known as numbers, right? And just like that, whatever things we type in through a keyboard are known as data, and they all belong to certain type together known as data type, right? And all the programming languages have their own built-in data types. But the best part is, most of the data types are same in all the programming languages. And a Python has got certain built-in data types. Let's look at them. And this is our fundamental data types. And at first we have int. And did you see that as soon as I wrote int, my Ripple gave me this information that it is an inbuilt data type. And when I hover over this, did you see that? Again, a lot of information. It is an integer. So for time being, let's omit this and move on to the next. We have float. Then we have bool, string, list, tuple, set, and dig. We have one more special data type and its name is none. As the name suggests, it means nothing. But you know what? It has got great importance when it comes to our programming. And this is a fundamental data types. So we'll look deep at what each data type is from the next video onwards. Till then, stay tuned.